Hello, I am Dharmishta. In this lesson, we are going to learn about input and output devices. It is very easy lesson and you will learn new thing in this lesson. So, to solve a given task, computer needs to interact with its user. Computer requires data and instruction to be provided by the user. So, what is the mean by data? Data means whatever you type in the program, whatever do in that program, that is called data. And instructions means a program. You have installed a program in, then after insert a data as per your requirement. It is very important to know that. So computer require data and instructions provided by the user. That is called input. On the other hand, user also require result from the computer. Suppose you insert data but you cannot get anything from the computer, then it is meaningless. So when computer gives an answer or result to the user, that is called output. The device that allow such input and output are known as input and output devices. Input and output devices are means of communication between users and computer. Now, input devices. An input device is a device that provide input to the computer. The most common input devices are keyboard and mouse. Every key you press on the keyboard and every moment on click you make with the mouse sends a specific input signal to the computer. Besides keyboard and mouse, several input devices are available. Here given the list: keyboard, point and draw devices, scanning devices, electronic card-based devices, speech recognition devices, vision-based devices. First we discuss about keyboard. Nowadays everyone knows about keyboard. It is the most popular and commonly used input devices. A keyboard allows entering alphabets, digits and symbols into the computer. Keyboard has more than 100 keys. It is also known as the text-based input devices. First part of the keyboard is alphabets. They are given A to Z alphabets keys. Next is digit. It has a 1 to 9 numerical keys which are given right side of the keyboard. Another numerical keys is given above alphabets key with the mathematical operation, punctuation marks and signs. It has 12 function keys given in the first row of the computer keyboard for the various functions. Next, enter key is used for execution of the instructions. Next one is spacebar key. It is used for to make a space between words. Next, backspace key. It is used for to move a cursor one position back. Delete key is used for to delete a character or an object at the right side of the cursor position. Shift key is used for to type a capital letter and the special character located on the upper side of the keys. Caps lock key is used to toggle between capital lock features. Tab key is used to move the cursor to the next tab position. Control key, it is given both the side of the spacebar key. It is used in conjunction with the other keys to provide additional functionality. Alt key is also used in combination with the other key to perform a specific task, and escape key is used to cancel or abort or execution. Now, point and draw devices. We will have a look at the point and draw devices. So, what is the mean by point and draw devices? Instead of typing directly, some item can be selected from computer screen, for example print and close button. This can be done using point and draw devices such as a mouse. This type of interface is called graphical user interface. Not only to select but drawing of line, curve and shape is also possible with the such devices. Other example of point and draw devices are joystick, light pen, it is new word for you, touchpad or trackball. See, first one, among the point and draw devices, first we will discuss about mouse. Here given the figure of mouse. Mouse is used to point a particular place on the screen. We can point out some things with the help of mouse. It can be used to select menu commands, resize windows, selecting action from screen icon, etc. Mouse is the important thing for performing any action. See, it has mainly 2 or 3 buttons. Typically, mouse actions are as follow. Left click is used to select an item. Double click it is used to start a program or open a file or trigger an actions. Right click usually used to display a set of commands and available options. Drag and drop it is allow you to select and move an item from one location to another. Scroll, mainly applications provide scroll bar on right side of the screen. It is the page length is more than the monitor's screen length. Now, joystick. You all have seen joysticks, so joysticks are used to play the video games. Now, why it is known as input device or why is it known as point and draw device? The answer is that with the help of joystick, you can control the flow of program. Suppose you are playing a game in which you have to drive a car with joystick, only you will be able to increase the speed or take a turn or whatever. So input you can do using joystick. Here given the image of joystick. Light pen. Light pen is a computer input device. Light sensitive one used in conjunction with the computer's cathode ray tube. Display that in the olden days when this type of CRT monitors, that is cathode ray tube monitor, were used that time this type of light pen was used. It allowed the user to point a displayed object or draw on screen in a similar way to a touch screen, but we take a greater positional accuracy. At present, we are familiar with the smartphone. Touchpad is one type of input device for computers that does the same things as computer mouse. It is made up of flat touch sensitive surface which the user slide one or more fingers on the movement the cursor on the screen. However, touchpad on the today's mobile device such as smartphones and tablets have been replaced with the touch screen. Third category of input mechanism is scanning devices. Scanning device directly look at the input and enter the collected data into the computer. There is no need to enter anything from keyboard or selecting anything from the screen. Only scan command is to be given and the data entered done directly. It saves the time and reduces the typing error. Photos, maps and high quality document can be directly scanned to the computer. Now, image scanner. Image scanner have given image is just like copier machine in which the document needs to be placed and photo of the document will be stored in a computer memory in digital form. The document is now converted into an electronic image. This image can be sent to the other computer, copied and printed.